Hi everyone, I'm Lily Mix. I'm a French artist. I live in Margate and today I'm going to do a workshop for the Turn Up Canterbury. So thank you for asking me to do that. I've decided to do a mandala with you. I'm sure you all seen mandala before. It's quite common in tattoo, in coloring book. They're everywhere. Mandala is from Sanskrit and it means circles. Mandala come originally from Tibet. Other form of mandala are Mayan calendar. You might also find mandala in other religions like Christian. The things that is important in mandala, of course, is the circle shape. That is the most natural form in mankind. You will find it anywhere. It's the universe, it's the moon, it's the sun, it's the planets, the stars, but it's also fruit, flower, and even smaller cell, atoms. Everything is round pretty much. It's kind of nice because you just have to look around the food you got in your house or the materials, check out the pattern, use them and think about this circle shape and look around and maybe you see the world slightly differently. Why I decided to do a mandala with you is because it kind of relates to the way I do my artwork. Another artist that I thought could be interesting is Yayoi Yugasama. She's one of the most famous female artists today. She's a Japanese artist, and for her and for many other artists, I think art is a form of therapy, and mandala is a good way to learn how to fill a space. For this workshop, you don't need much. A piece of paper, A4, A3, whatever, a ruler, a pen, a compass. It's good to have like different size of line to create more interesting pattern. To start a mandala, you need to find the center of your page. So just use your ruler, make a mark in the middle, same on the other side, and you got your center right here. So then you can start making circle. If you don't have a compass, don't worry. You can use a plate, you can use tape to make a circle. So let's start with the center. So I want quite a small center. So then another thin one, then a slightly bigger one. So don't worry about making them all the same size. Just do random size. Some really small, some really big. Alright, so when you got your mandala ready, then now you need to think about what kind of patterns you're going to put into it. I'll show you a few things that I love to look at and really inspires me. The human body shape, very small and very big. Look at the brain, they look like coral. I love to look at plants. If you don't have books, just look on the internet, plenty of picture, or just have a look in your house if you got a garden, if you got plants in your house. Everywhere you look, you will see some pattern. Anything you can find or you think of, because when you start doing it, you kind of get a bit lost in your bubble. That's it. I hope you're gonna have a good time. Stay safe, have fun, lots of love. Hopefully see you soon outside. Bye bye.